Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Are you fine? Thank you. Let us discuss grammatical point article. My dear students, I am writing an example. I think you will be clear about the articles. Be attentive, my dear students. Look at the board and look at the example about the underlined words. The cow is a useful animal that gives us milk, which is an ideal food. Look at the underlined words, the cow. So, it is clear that it is definite, the cow, not any other animal. And then you look the underlined word a, and then you look the underlined word n. Actually, these are the a n, these are the adjectives, and a and n comes from numeral adjectives. Are you clear, my dear friends? Thank you. Now, you will know how many articles are used in English grammar. Can you say, my dear students? We can see there are two types of articles. Are you clear, my dear students? Have you written? Thank you. Now, we will know about the clear idea, the definite article and the indefinite articles. Now, I want to say, can you say the definition of article? In class 6 and 7, you have known a and the are known as definite, are called article. Actually, we can say in another way, to mean man or any other thing definitely or indefinitely is known as articles. Now, we know about the use of definite article. sun, moon, star, before the words we will use definite article. For example, are you clear about the examples? Now, we will discuss about the another rule. By using definite article, you will use definite article before nation. For example, are you clear? The English are a brave nation, and B, the Muslims say their prayer in a mosque. Then we use definite article before hills. Have you written? The Himalayas are a range of hills. And number B, I did not see the Andamans. You look at the underlined words, and then we will use definite article, religious books and newspapers, etc. For example, Have you written, my dear students? Father reads the daily Jugantar. Mother reads the Quran. My dear students, our time is finished. You will write a list of examples by using definite article. That's all for today. Thank you.